Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator, and this is a market update for Thursday, March 31st, 2022. As you can see on Tuesday video, I told you the market is in the uptrend, try to pull back up. However, we get into the resistance area, so in the short term, we're looking for some kind of pullback. So the last 2 days, the market have been pulled back down a little bit, and they will find a support, and then we will continue to resume the uptrend again. So the momentum is at this moment, the market they be able to run far away from the February 24. So technically they already found the bottom here, and now we shoot it up here, and then we pull back, and then we will find another momentum to put it up again. So I believe that at this moment, this level is potential at bottom in this cycle down here. So if you look at the Nasdaq, you also see the similar things. So the Nasdaq come back, hit into the sell zone, and then they pull back down. So very similar to the ES, they will pull back down to build some base before they can break out and continue to the upside again. The Dow is also similar after run up, so they pull back down, and before they can resume uptrend. The Russell 2000, they be able to break out the pivot support, become a resistance, and now they break out, but today they pull back again. But the overall momentum is still bullish. As long as they still continue to put it high, low, the market is still find a way to put it up and test the upper bow here. And if you look at the crude oil, they are, after we open the reserve oil, so the crude oil hit it back up, but it hit right into very close to the sell zone area here, and then they pull back down. So if they fail to hold the support here, they can continue to put it lower, okay, back to this area here. So it depends on how strong the oil can handle. But technically look like it's more bearish. So after run up too fast here, we need a pullback here to cool down the oil price a little bit there. If you look at the gold, it also still choppy sideways here after they run up too fast. But have to be careful, because if the interest rate it continue to go higher, it's not so good for people to hold on to the gold. So we still see a choppy sideways in this area here. Look at the Bitcoin after run up, so they come back. They try to fill up the gap here. So if they can hold up here, they were looking for some kind of push it back up again to the upside. Very similar to Ethereum, it also pull back, fill up the gap here. If they can hold on, we're looking for the further move up to the future here. Now let's take a look on the all the sector of S&P 500. So you can see that all of them they running too fast, so they have to pull back, okay, to build a base before they can turn around again. So the XLP, the material sector, as you can see here, they hit right into the sell zone and pull back down. XLC, another one here, also similar, they come back, fill up, and retest the level of resistance, now become a support. Let's see if they can hold on to this level there. Energy sector is still hot, but a little bit volatile here, as you can see. They continue to put it back up, but they fail at the sell zone. So technically they still have trouble to go higher. So we're looking for, if they fail to hold up the upper trend line here, they can pull back down again. The financial sector also pull up after the run up, and they retrace a little bit down to the bottom here again. The industrial also pull back after many day run up. So you can see that too many in sector they are running too fast, so it's good for them to pull back before they can build up momentum to run up again. Technology, it also the same thing here. So XLP, consumer stable, still hang tight to the upside because due to the inflation. Okay, so this sector still hold on to the upside there, as you can see. The real estate, they run up, and then now they come back and retest. Probably they try to fill the gap before they can find a way to put it higher. Utility is still a strong sector today. They put it back, but again, they are go too fast, so they need to pull back down Also, the healthcare sector is still in the uptrend, but they are kind of choppy up and down here. The consumer discretionary is also very similar to the other index. They shoot up, they gap up. So now they try to come back and fill up the gap here before they can stabilize and revert to the upside again. Okay, so today it's not much information. So we are in the short term. You can see that the market is trying to do some little bit correction here. So you have to see that this is a short-term correction or they do up and down here. So we have to monitor carefully. But doesn't matter what they do. I think this one here already bottom. So now they try to fill the bay here, and then we will resume the uptrend again. Okay, so I think that's all I have for you today. So let's see how the market is going to do tomorrow, and that we can tell that how the market is going to do for the next month in April. So seasonality, April is a good month for the stock market. We'll see that they'll be able to hold up the momentum and push it up for the month of April. Okay. All right, so I think that's all I have for you on the market update today. So stay tuned in the short term, some correction, but in the longer term, we are still bullish to the upside. Okay, so have a last day of the week trading. Good luck to you, and then I will see you on the weekly market forecast. Take care, everyone.